The Goerz Reflex-Jagd-Ango was a camera specifically designed for wildlife and expedition photography over a century ago, and one can now be yours for $3,500. It's a rare SLR camera from a century ago, has been put up for sale on eBay. The German camera company CP Goerz, which later folded into Carl Zeiss, began making reflex hunting ango in or around 1909. It used an Ottomar-Anschutz focal plane shutter, which shutter speeds up to 1/1000, and had a long focus lens on a long rigid body, elongated conical metal body with military crackled green paint finish, reflex finder, focal plane shutter and a special CP Berlin Goerz lens. It's a very rare camera. Camera comes with original fitted case and 5 film holders. The camera is designed to shoot 9 by 12 cm plates. This kind of cameras don't appear on the market very often. There have been a couple of known sales over the past 2 decades in which the cameras sold for around $5,000.